Good morning. This is an explanation of how to add and subtract rational expressions. So these are the rational expressions that we're going to be dealing with. The very first thing we need to do is factor the denominator of each fraction. So this is the denominator of that fraction, and this is the denominator of that one, and I just factored them out like so. The next thing we need to do is find the least common denominator, or the LCD, by writing down the first denominator, then any new factors from the second denominator. So this is just the first denominator, and this is the new factor from the second. Third, we need to find the new numerator for each fraction by comparing the denominator of the original fraction to the LCD. Write down everything about the LCD that is different. Place this over the LCD. Okay. So this is what that looks like. The x minus 3 came from the other fraction, and the x plus 2 over here came from this fraction. And I placed both of those over at the LCD. Next, we have to simplify and add or subtract the numerators by distributing and combining like terms. So here I distributed and then I combined like terms, and I got 8x minus 14 over the LCD. Next, you have to factor the numerator if possible and replace LCD with the real LCD. So I factored 8x minus 14 into 2 parentheses 4x minus 7 over the real LCD. And next you can simplify if possible. Note that in order to simplify, the two factors in the numerator and the denominator must be completely identical.